Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. This is an impromptu shoot kasi today I am just work from home. So which means I'll be holding a few meetings here at home until tonight. So sabi ko sayang naman since I'm cooking for my lunch meeting, I might as well video it, right? Kasi sayang naman. Yun ang sustainability. Diba? Accomplishing more than 2 things in one go. So we're shooting for kusina ni Mrs. O. I'm working from home. I'm having a meeting. I'm wearing a dress that I never wore. Kaya, yes, ito yung pangbahay ko. Dahil never ko pa nasuot. Medyo may safety pin ako, tsaka maiksi siya. So, hindi ako palalabasin ng bahay. So, anyway, for today, there are just a few things. Hindi ko alam anong tawag ko sa salad na to, but sometimes I call it my summer salad. Tapos na yung summer. In some countries, it's still summer. But in the Philippines, it's already the rainy season. So, I call it tropical kasi it's pretty much my tropical fruits. No? So, it's inspired by my mother. She makes this, and then meron kaming tree na may Indian mangoes. So, parang there was a time na hindi naman pwede kang kumain ng Indian mangoes every day. So, meron na kaming burong mangga, lahat-lahat na ng klaseng mangga with bagoong. So, we created this salad. Nagpamigay na rin kami sa neighbors namin, pero meron pa rin mangga, no? So, basically, it's Indian mangoes, and then pomelo. It would be nice if it's in season. I put singkamas for some crunch, and then some carrots. Kung may pipino, okay din, kaso wala kaming pipino today. And then, some chicken. So, the salad dressing, basically, I used to use dalandan juice. But since I got this Saint C calamansi, you may use it also. So, thank you again kay Alan. And then, patis, canola oil, and then, remember, there was an episode when we did gin. Remember, gumawa tayo ng sugar syrup. 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar. So, I'm using it kasi I saved it. This has been in our ref, no? I think that was 2 weeks ago pa na nag-shoot kami. So, it's still here. So, kaya you can make a lot of it. Pero kung wala, of course, you can use sugar. And then, dahil wala akong normal peanuts, lalagyan ko ng magaraya ang ating salad. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. For crunch. And then, meron kaming tirang chicken. Actually, baliwag chicken to. Kasi may lunch ba dito? Oo. So, hahalo ko rin siya. So, pwede mo rin haluin squid if you want. And then, lettuce. So, today, I'm cooking this. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, sustainability, accomplishing more things than one. First is I'm working from home. I have a meeting. Then, I have to send a gift, no? Because a special couple gave a special accommodation for my husband and I. So, we are preparing it and putting it in these plates. So, these are IKEA plates. So, I'm sending it para at least meron silang salad. Kasi at first, I was thinking, maybe I should send food. Should I order a basket? But I guess, why not, no? Why not send something from kusina ni Mrs. O? So, it's fairly easy. So, we're making first the salad dressing. Tapos, mix, mix, mix. Diba? So, hold on. Let me just... Okay! So, now, we are going to mix. So, this one, yung taste profile nito, wala pa siyang sugar. Let me just taste the profile. We use this. Very maasim pa. So, which means you need to balance it with the sugar syrup. So, this is one. Oh, wait, come here. Say hi. Kasi, di ba, inutusan mo ako to send a special gift?
Yeah, kay Mama La.
Yeah, because
Okay, yeah.
di ba? So, I thought pancit or salad. Sabi ko yung salad na lang natin. Yung the one with kefir lang.
Okay, yeah.
Mas okay ba yun? Okay, boss approved. Okay. Okay, so now we're doing the sugar syrup. Sorry for the intermission number. Okay. So here, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Tapos, Ate Lynn, speram naman ng chopper. Si Ate Lina, sinaswapan niya yung chopper. Nasa kanya yung ano. You know, we have this chopper. Before, there was this brand. I think it was an American brand. So, I did a cooking demo for them. I think sila yung unang gumawa ng product na to, no? Eh, sandali. Hindi ko pala nasabi yung measurement. 1/4 cup calamansi, about 1/3 cup of the sugar syrup. What are the other shortcuts? Pwede kayong bumili ng dalandan powder na juice. Yon. And water. So, hindi mo na kailangan gawa ng sugar syrup. It's just that I have these ingredients at home, so I don't want it to go to waste, diba? So, parang, ayoko naman nagba-vlog lang ako for the sake of vlogging. Talagang gusto ko ubusin ko ano yung stock na meron baka sa bahay kasi sayang, diba? Here, so I'm gonna add patis para sa konting alat. So, there. So, hindi ko pinuno yung 1/4 cup, ah. There you go. So, di ko na natapos yung story ko. So, anyway, there's this American, I did a cooking demo. So, they did this parang chopper. And it saves so much time. So, basically, that's what I do. So, we just use this instead of chopping. And I think, marami ng imitation na to. Meron 150 pesos. Merong 700 pesos. So, depende. Oh, I forgot to explain. This is kaifir lime leaves. So, when you look at it, it tastes bitter, but when you crack it open, amoyin mo siya. Sobrang explosive. Sobrang explosively fragrant. No? So, as in, parang gusto ko nang ipahid all over. May plant kami nito. I got the plant from my mom, tapos bigla siyang nagwala. As in, lumaki. Because from that original plant, we now have 3 plants na like this. No? So, this is used a lot in Thai cooking. Now, what if wala kang ganito? Okay lang yon. Yung leaves ng kalamansi, pag bibili yung kalamansi, yun yung gagamitin mo ng chop. Yung kalamansi. Pero syempre, hugasan ninyo, ha? Baka mamaya, meron tayong sumakit ng tiyan. So, here, very easy. O, see? Ganun lang. Ang dali lang. Diba? Kaysa, mag-chop-chop ka pa. So, I'm using Nagara. I don't want it to be so fine. I want to actually have a bite to it. There. So look at it. Oh. So, pwede rin. Nothing. Hindi naman tayo strict. Diba? And then, for the dressing, I'm so happy that canola oil is no longer so imported. I'm happy that I saw local brands that actually make canola oil. Siyempre, cheaper, diba? Iniwan kasi ako ni Lina so ako na lang to. Okay. Ito na mo, ngayon siya nag-show up. Bumalik bigla, di ba? And then some red onions. I like using red onions kasi it's spicier. So this one, I just have to make sure na nakuha natin yung sweetness. So I'm mimicking the powder. Okay. So just see. Listen. So it needs a little bit more sweetness for my taste. So I'm adding. Just add more sugar. There. Tapos, we will just cut this. So basically, what the kaifir lime will do, it's really more for the smell. Normally, pag sa Thai cooking, they mix this with curry. For those who eat Thai food, yun yung parang extra smell, no, na very fragrant. Madami siyang uses. In fact, pag nagsasaing kami ng rice, ina-add ko to. Feeling ko, ina-add. Unless di na nila ako sinusundan dito sa mga. Huh? Tinalagay mo pa ba? Pag brown rice, lalo na. This one, the lettuce, we're gonna put it here. Kasi nga, since we're gonna mix it all together, so it might mag-leak siya ng water. So you'd wanna put it down para mas ma-absorb pa niya yung ibang dressing. Tsaka hindi siya mag-wilt. So what's good about this salad is you can actually do it in advance. So there. So I hope kung sino pagbibigyan namin delight salad. I'm not sure if they do, but hey, it's vegetables. And it's Monday. We can't eat so much meat. Okay, there you go. Then, you just mix it. Okay. Mix. Una, our Indian mangoes. Our singkamas. O, diba? Dali lang. You know, this one, you can actually use squid or grilled shrimp if you want. So, but me, I'm using chicken today, only because there's leftover chicken. And then from here, tanggalin ko muna yung malalaki. Save ko na yung mamaya. I'm gonna add half. No, not all, but half of it, a little bit of it, so they can absorb more the liquid. Yan. Tapos, konting chicken, pang topping. Yung iba, save ko pang topping. Okay. Mix. Yun lang. Dapat ata tawag dito halo-halo salad kasi mix-mix, di ba? That's fairly simple, no? I'm just gonna add some wansoy. Actually, mahilig kami sa wansoy. Sa mga nag-aano ng wansoy, ikakat mo siya all the way sa stem. Only because pag amuyin mo siya, yung stem, meron pa rin siyang amoy tsaka flavor. Unlike the other herbs. Like, kunyari, tarragon, wala masyadong taste yung stick. Yung parang stem niya, like rosemary, napakabango ng leaf, pero pag i-ano mo yung twig, kung saan siya nakakapit, wala talaga siyang smell. But for wansoy, cilantro, meron. Ayan. So, I'm just cutting it. And then, tinatamad na ako mag-chop. Kaya, kakat ko lang siya dito. And then, I'm gonna save the leaves so we can use the leaves for garnish later on together with the chicken para maganda tingnan. But, naka-incorporate na yung flavor. There. I think there was a time maraming guavas. You can actually even add guava or avocado to this salad. Except we don't have avocado. Dapat kasi medyo firm pa yung avocado. Lagay mo na dito. Naiya ka pa. Papakita ka naman talaga. Huwag ka na maiya. Govi, nahiya daw. What do you say to that, Govi? Sa bahay na to, parati kami may stock ng nagaraya. Especially if I'm working from home and I'm working in the computer, nagaraya is the secret. Para tuloy-tuloy ang thoughts ko. If not, wala. So dapat yellow nagaraya. Huwag pala yung flavored kasi maalat yun. So look at that. So ina-absorb niya and it's actually thickening the salad. So from here, ganun lang kadali, we pour it. See? There. So colorful. And then, pour ko yung dressing. Then, I'm gonna add this. Then, a little bit more of the chicken. I cannot touch it anymore because we're about to serve it. Then, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to wrap it. Magsasoak yung bababa yung dressing. Kaya, hindi talaga natin linagyan ng dressing. From here, one, I will serve here because sa mga kamiting ko. And then one, we will wrap. So, how will we wrap it? Wrap it. And there you go. It's a wrap. Literally, it's a gift. So to Lara and to Dong, thank you so much for accommodating us. It's a simple gift from Kusina ni Mrs. O. Enjoy your salad and have a meatless Monday. Bye! Tropical pomelo salad. Damihan mo pa. Ano siya? Singkamas, Indian mangoes, carrots, kaifir lime leaves, wansoy, nagaraya, and chicken.
Tingin pa lang siya, masarap na eh.
Yes. And kaifir.